In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change filing status on TurboTax. Your filing status is a big deal because it affects your tax rate, your standard deduction, and your eligibility for credits like the Earned Income Credit, the Child Tax Credit, and Education Credits. The 5 status options are single, married filing jointly, married filing separately, head of household, and qualifying surviving spouse. Choosing the right one can change your refund or the amount you owe, so let's walk through how to update it confidently. If you're using TurboTax online, start by going to turbotax.intuit.com and signing in. Open your current tax return and select Continue. From the top menu, go to My Info, sometimes labeled Personal Info. Scroll to the Filing Status section to see what's currently selected. Click Edit or Change next to your name or marital status. TurboTax will guide you through questions about your marital situation and any dependents. When you're presented with your options, pick the one that applies now. For example, if you got married this year, switch from single to married filing jointly, or select head of household if you qualify. Review the summary, note if TurboTax highlights which status lowers your taxes, then confirm and continue. Because filing status can change your deductions and credits, revisit any sections TurboTax prompts, especially the standard deduction, child-related credits, and education credits. Using the desktop or CD version, open TurboTax on your computer, go to Personal Info on the left, select your name, choose Edit, pick the correct filing status, then Continue and Save. Afterward, review your deductions and dependent information so everything reflects the change. If you already filed and realize the status is wrong, your next step depends on IRS acceptance. If the return hasn't been accepted yet, use your TurboTax dashboard to cancel or fix the filing, reopen the return, and make the change. If the IRS has accepted it, you'll amend. Open the filed return, choose Amend a Filed Return, follow the prompts to update your status, and TurboTax will prepare Form 1040X for e-filing or printing. You can amend after acceptance, and processing can take up to 16 weeks. A few key rules before you finish. You can only have one filing status per tax year. If you're married, you can't file as single. Your choices are married filing jointly or married filing separately. Head of household requires that you paid more than half the cost of keeping up a home and that a qualifying person lived with you for more than half the year. After changing your status, always review your refund or amount owed before finalizing. Thanks for watching and good luck updating your return.